Hey, Motorman here. What you're looking at is my 2014 Police EGlide FLHTP, as Harley calls them. This has got the 103 motor. It is the later frame. They came out with the latest frame in 2009. This, of course, being a 2014, has that frame. And the main difference between the police motorcycles and the civilian version is they come with an oil cooler. I think the later ones all come with oil coolers now, but the police bikes came standard with them. The bike has very low mileage, not a mark or a scratch on this motorcycle, not a dent any place. If you're in the market for an EGlide, the benefit of the police model, if you're so inclined, is it's already wired for siren and amplifier. It just plugs right in. You can add those anytime. In fact, that's the main reason I buy the police bikes, is because we use the lights and sirens in our shows, and it's just a matter of plugging the wire in to get it to work. On the back, you're seeing here, this is an aftermarket tour pack. It's, I would call it poor quality. It's good just to carry stuff in, and I'm going to show you what the bike looks like without it. Right now I just have it sitting on the rack that comes with the police bike. That's why I've got the jack stand in there, because I had to keep it up straight just to sit it on there. If you'd like to get the tour pack with the motorcycle, just let me know and I will attach it for you. It's got the white top seat on it, which matches pretty well to the two-tone on this. On this particular police bike, the only two-tone part from the factory is the white you see on the tank. That's birch white. I'll give you a close-up of the motor. Bike is in perfect condition. I'm a fanatic about keeping my bikes clean and maintenance up to date. This has had 2 oil changes since new. That's all that's needed because the mileage is so low. And if you're wondering why you see me selling some of my bikes, we're switching over. For years we had black motorcycles. We're going to be switching over to Impact Blue. I've already got one. I'm going to show you the mileage on this. Hopefully that focuses. It's 3659, 3,659 miles. I'm asking $13,200 for the motorcycle. I believe that's a fair price. Average book on a bike this year is, I believe, $12,995, but this has way below average mileage. Average mileage is about 20,000 to 25,000. This has not even 4,000 miles on it. I'm going to take off the tour pack and show you what that looks like without the tour pack. By the way, from 2014 on, the police motorcycles were based upon the Street Glide. They used to be based on the EGlide, but they changed that, I believe it was 2014. So there's a little bit less trim around the fenders, etc. Comes with the Street Glide type lights on the back. Now I'm going to take off that tour pack and show you what it looks like without it. And here's the bike without the tour pack. Police bikes come with the same rack that you get on regular EGlides or Ultras. Of course, you can fit a quick release on some of my bikes. I have that. As I said, the bike is in absolutely like new condition. Not a single problem, not a mark or a scratch on the motorcycle. I'm going to put some information below how to get in touch with me if you're interested. But I'll give it to you now. You can call toll-free 866-868-7433. Or you can email me at motorman1857@yahoo.com. The last bike I put up was my wife's 2012 I believe that sold in about 3 or 4 hours. Before that, I had my 2011 EGlide, and I think that sold in 1 day. So if you're interested, the bike is priced right. It's in perfect condition. If you're out of state, you want to come down here, I'd be glad to pick you up at the airport. I did that with the last 2 buyers, and you could ride the bike home. So give me a call, shoot me an email. And when not the last bike, but the one before that, people were bidding on the bike. I had sold it. I put sold up there. A couple of people emailed me, said, well, they'll give me $500 more. I won't do that. Once we agree upon a price, that's the price. The bike is yours. You give us a deposit on your credit card, $500 deposit. I'll hold it for you, and either a bank check, certified check, or cash when you come to pick it up. I have the title in hand. Once again, that's 866-868-7433 or Motorman1857 at yahoo.com.